Hello everyone and welcome to CodeCamp Studio. Today in this quick video tutorial we will learn about collections in Blender and how they can help you organize your scene. So what are collections? Basically, collections in Blender are similar to layers or groups in other software, as if you used Illustrator or Photoshop. They allow you to group objects together for better organization and management. You can add any type of object to a collection, like meshes, lights, and cameras. For creating collections, there are a few ways. In Outliner, right-click on an empty space and select New. This creates a new collection in the Scene collection. Or right-click an existing collection name to create a new collection within that collection. Another quick way is when you press C key from your keyboard while hovering over the outliner. This also creates collections. For renaming collections, simply double-click their names in the outliner and type new name you desire. For too much objects in your scene, use Collapse Collection button to hide their content. For deleting collections without deleting the objects within them, select and use Delete key. By using the eyeball icon in the outliner, you can toggle collection visibility in the viewport without affecting renders. We will cover rendering in later videos. For moving objects to new collections, select the object, for example, these chairs, and right-click, choose Move to Collection from the menu. Select New Collection and name it Chairs. Furthermore, let's quickly organize this scene. As we have models of these water and oil drums, I want these water drums in water collection and oil drums in oil collection. So using Shift key, I'll select these all water drums individually and press M key from keyboard to reveal collection menu. Select a new collection, enter name as water. Similarly with oil as well. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and ask me any question about collections in comment section. Feel free to share, give a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.